The name of the course is Bad Bunny and Resistance in Puerto Rico. The class is really thinking about Bad Bunny as a really serious cultural figure. And I think not only does it draw students in, but it allows them to see that you can take the things that you love, the things that you interact with every day, and you can turn that into the most important research of our time.
Dr. Diaz has done a really great job of rooting it in academia and bringing together a variety of articles that really are enriching my understanding of what is going on in the island right now. I'm really passionate about the independence movement in Puerto Rico and the self-determination process. So it meant a lot to me that she was shining a light on the issues and also about the history of reggaeton, which we've been studying a lot, which I really never knew about, but I know it's so influential in my family, my culture. Some of the students aren't even that big of a Bad Bunny stan, but they're just so excited to learn about a contemporary artist, to take a class that's really rooted in what's going on in our modern day.
And I really believe that this class and the work that's going to emerge from it is going to contribute to a really important body of work and of literature that looks at issues of gender and sexuality and race and class and music, because we're using this avenue that's drawing people in. And if you're interested in the class, then tell me and we'll make sure we keep offering it.